Okay, this is Andy. I'm doing the user test for the website called Future Ready. So first I see this website is very tidy and nice banner image and nice title, and the color balance is good. Okay, so very nice navigate through the first page. I like how they made the scroll and also the page control on the right side, just indicate which page you are. So let's see the industry information. Okay, so I can see what's the current employee and increased in jobs and the industry information. Okay, let's see the skill assessment. Please select two. Okay, so I have to select two or more. Your personal preference is okay. So I will select I enjoy the working independently and I like to solve logical problem. I prefer gardening to programming, so I will click next to see what else. And now I have to select the people skills, otherwise the soft skills. I enjoy working with people. I can be a good teacher. So what if I click next? What shows communication and the management? Okay, this will help me evaluate the key position. So yeah, I think I can think outside the box and okay, more practical personal. And what if I click next right now? Technical skills. Okay, so for the technical skills, I'm more intend to maybe I'm not sure. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, so in the result I can see clearly it says I'm within the organizer category. People who prefer to. Okay, if I scroll down, I can see the pie chart shows the skill profile for the clinical administrator. Okay, so my skill, the skill I don't have and the skill I have, which is 30% the skill I have and 70% the skill I don't have. Okay, so skill gap. So I can see clearly the skill I have processed and the skill gap identified it. Okay, so if I know I will work on the skill gap. Future jobs. Okay, start. And here I can see the medical laboratory technician. Okay, so it told me I have not matched 30% of the skill required for this job, which is okay. And if I can read, so it shows redo the quiz or see all jobs. Let's go see all jobs. In the jobs I think I can search for nurse. Okay, so the drop down menu automatically show up, which is good. So I can tap on the drop down menu. So I can submit to see if I can find anything. So it gives very clear information about the job description and the soft skill I need, also the technical skill as well, and the future score, and future jobs, which is good. Technical skill. Let's see. Okay, it actually it's not private. Okay, let's go back then. Okay, let's see resources. So I can see all the resources that the video I can explore, and what else? The learning website I can go, and the place I can go for find a job. Okay. So overall, this website is really nice designed. I really like the UI on the homepage. So it's really user friendly, and it's good.